G'day, g'day. It is Tuesday, the 7th of July 2026. As always, start on the daily, a little bit messy there, so I'll switch those off. Right, Monday after the long weekend for the States, so Friday was a holiday for the July 4th. We came up and took out the previous week's high and have closed inside that. Sort of very doji looking daily with a slightly bearish close. Does represent the potential for an evening star, so we could be targeting Monday's or Friday's lows potentially, but no reason why it can't keep going up and attacking this high from Monday the 22nd. So that was a weekly high as well, but we have taken out two previous days high and closed back inside. So it will remain to be seen what happens there. Looking at the news that happened yesterday, gold fell, retreating from two-week highs, stronger US dollar, cooling US labor market, reduced expectations of a Fed Reserve hike, significant down US job growth, downward revisions, Strait of Hormuz recovering with energy flows through there now, prospect of OPEC plus increasing supply, investors of their Fed's meeting minutes, which is due Wednesday, which is Thursday morning my time, markets pricing 50% chance of a September rate hike, so half-half. Not too strongly suspected capping gold's rise to 4,300 in Q3 and 4,500 in Q4. That was JP Morgan's price expectations for gold. Looking at what happened during the trading day, really nice trades in Asia. Really nice one. On one of my accounts, I was able to take it up to the previous day's high. On the other one, I got a little bit cute and moved my stop up too early, which happens. If I just left it there, it would have been a really nice, easy trade. This one. Second coming off the Shanghai-Singapore Open, only just missed the target of high of the day, and then this beautiful reversal candle all the way back down. I did catch this trade though. This was a lovely downward straight back into the volume profile zone where all the volume was traded in New York on Friday. Managed to get through to the value area low and kept on moving. We did have that slight recovery, but back into Friday's volume profile zone, and funny enough, right back to the point of control. Coming into today, let's switch on a few points of data. So I can steal this now and put this over here. So we're well above the value area high. This we don't need anymore. So the low there, I'm going to take this off now. Previous day's low. Let's steal this. How long is this thing? Let's start a new one, shall we? Okay, so we have high, previous day's high, previous day's low locked in now. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay, we are underneath the inflection point. We have got a very strongly upward dynamic value line, so buying is the preference. Unfortunately, I don't take trades from the inflection point as it can get very choppy. As you can see around here, even yesterday, inflection point goes below it, pops back up, it drops back down, but soon comes back to it. It's a real magnet for price, which is exactly what it's telling us anyway. So price could get squeezed in here earlier on. It always, if you go like, you compare yesterday, how yesterday just set up beautifully. We're already above the value area high. Once we got above the upper value line, we're in really bullish price discovery, which means taking longs is a lot easier. People want to try and sell this. They think it's taking out these highs here. Sellers get caught trapped in doing this, and then their stops get run. Whereas today, right at this inflection point, so going to be a little bit more careful today. Doesn't mean it can just run up to this upper value line, and we could take a sell from up here, which is a fade value high, or looking to take a buy off of here, which is also a price discovery continuation from this value area high. So at the moment, coming up in Asia, just going to be very patient.